With Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and end of year sales coming up, your goal as a merchant is to try to get as many customers as possible, right? So whether it's increasing the amount of sales or you want to add customers to a newsletter or an email list, and a popular tool for that is Klaviyo. So for this example, I'm going to show you how you can add Klaviyo forms to your website to be able to get customers information and help share with them some of the products that you offer. So for this example, the first thing that we're going to do is come here. We're going to come to our customizer. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. I know this is kind of tricky. I've worked with merchants and it can get kind of tricky sometimes setting this up with Klaviyo. There seems to be always something that breaks. So I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way how to do this. So once you have your theme, you want to go to the location that you actually want to add this form. For this example, we're going to add it to the bottom of the page. So let's come in here, we're going to add our section. We're going to go to our app blocks. And for this example, we're just going to do the Klaviyo embedded form like this. So you notice here it asks for an embedded form ID. This ID is actually what's going to let us show our form here. You notice we add this app block, but nothing actually shows. So the next thing that we want to do is actually come to Klaviyo like this. We want to create a new form that is going to allow us to actually get those emails. So let's come here to Klaviyo. Let's come to create form like this. Now you notice there's different types of forms, but we want to embed the form. We want the form to actually show on the page. We don't want our form, you notice a form like this where you click and it pops up. We don't want this. We want the form to be on the page itself. So let's go with the embedded form for this specific example. Now you notice there's a whole bunch of different templates here, but let's say because we're getting into this sales season and we want to encourage customers to purchase a product. So we're going to come in, let's offer customers a coupon code. So we're going to click on this template here. Our name, we'll leave it like this just for this example. Let's add them to our newsletter list and let's create our form. Now for this example, you can edit the styles and get it to look just how you like it. For this example, we're going to leave the style just how it is. And then we're going to come here and we're going to click on publish. Now you notice when you click on publish, it gives us this code here to embed. But you notice here, if we come here, all we need is this form ID, even though it gives us all this. So here's what you can do. Just click on the code like this. Come here, open a new tab and paste it in like this. The next thing that you want to do is just copy whatever you see in here. So it's going to give you this full code here, but whatever's after Klaviyo form, you just want to copy that. Come to your customizer here, and where it says embed form ID, paste that in. Now you might not see anything at first, it might take a while, but then you see as it reloads, now it pops up. Now you just click save like this. And now we're going to go to our live website to see how it looks. So let's open this in a new tab. Come to the bottom of our page. Let's reload this. And there we go. So now you see our form is there. Now maybe you want to adjust the styling, you want to adjust the spacing, but now you see our form is actually in there. So that's a quick and easy way how you can add these Klaviyo forms to your website. Again, the goal is to try to get customers to put in their emails so that they can get a percentage off. And I thought this video would be helpful, especially as we approach the end of the year with the various sales to be able to set this up on your website. So I hope this video was helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you're looking to set something like this up. If you need any help or assistance with setting something up with Klaviyo or with your Shopify website in general. Setting up a landing page, setting up additional features on your store, connecting a third-party app, looking for recommendations on apps. Feel free to send me an email at david@zkudo.info. I'll be glad to help out. Feel free to take a look at our website as well, see a little bit more about what it is that we offer, how we can help. And if you're looking for any type of digital product, whether it's a thank you card you want to send to customers, you want to add maybe a template for your Shopify website, feel free to check out our digital products. The link is also in the description as well. There's a lot of helpful things in there as well. But once again, I hope this video was helpful to share with you how you can add these Klaviyo forms to your website. And please feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.